Hope you're doing well. I'm doing good. You guys are here for the unboxing of my advent calendar. I got this box in 2 days ago of the advent calendar by Beware. They have one package for each Advent Sunday. So they have 4 packages in total. I purchased it for 103 euros, and then what came as additional cost was the shipping. The shipping was about 30 euros and some cents. I must admit that in the first instance I was kind of taken aback, but when I think about it, usually when I purchase kits or anything from Beware, the shipping is between 6 and 8 euros. So getting all these 4 packages in this box, 30, it's understandable. It is what it is. And plus, with everything that went up, shipping 30, it's a lot, but still. Okay, so what I wanted to do is, I have my Christmas tree. Well, we have to make it new because I don't know where actually we're not ready for all the Christmas decoration yet. So this is the Christmas tree that I'm going to be using. I already took out the 4 packages. So this is package number 1, number 3, number 2, and number 4. Number 4 is quite heavy. I'm just going to hang them on my fake tree. And we're going to be opening up each one of them on each Advent Sunday. That means that the first video that you will see is for package number 1. And then we have a video on the 3rd, on the 10th, on the 17th, and on the 24th. And I'm just going to unbox them, unpack them on video so you guys can see what it all is in here. But what I do know is that they said that you can expect laces, hardware, tools that you can use to make lingerie making easy, maybe a pattern, but you go from smaller to biggest package. So I am excited, and so I hope you guys come back every Sunday up to Christmas so you guys can see what the things are. And then I guess at the end I will tell you if it was all worth it in terms of cost, because you know, things ain't cheap. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And you have a great day. Bye.